Welcome to the second in the series of producing a document using pages. In this video, we're going to create a heading, we're going to change the font, the size and the color, and create a subheading. So let's get started. To insert headings and change the body, it's just a couple of simple things when you're using pages. So I'm just going to put a title in here, Tropical North Queensland. And I'll put some body text that I've done earlier, just pop that in. Now, they're not the fonts that I would want to use, so I'm going to first of all change this to a heading. So if I go over here and click heading. Now, if I don't want it to be blue and I want it to be a different font, I can easily change that. So I can change the heading to a 16. Helvetica Magimai Simon said that I have to do it in Arial, so I'll change it to Arial. And I'll also take bold off in this instance, and if I want to change the color, I can change from this color palette, or I can go into here and change to another color palette. So I'll just pick teal for now, just for the purpose of this. Okay, so we've gone from there, just close that, and then we're going to change the font. So I want it to be justified on both sides. I want 1.5 spacing, so I just adjust here. And I'm also going to change this to Arial. I'm going to change that can be body, so I really should have done that earlier. So I'll go Arial. I'll leave it as 11. I don't want it in bold, but I do want it in black. And I'm just going to drop it down. So there you go. And we can easily press update. So every time I want to add more body, then all I have to do is that. Now it's easy, just as easy to add a subtitle, which I'm going to do now. But I'm going to get some font first so I can insert it in underneath the subtitle. So I'll just pause the video for a second. Now we're going to add a subtitle. So I'll just put Cairns in here because we're going to put some information about Cairns and some more font. And I'm going to change this by just putting the highlighter over, go to here, and then click body, and it matches the font above. For Cairns, I don't want it to be a heading, or I want it to be a subheading. So I'm going to go up here, go to heading 2, and again, I don't want it to be this color. I want to change it to teal. Don't want it to be bold, but I do want it to be 15. And I'll just drop that down. So there we have it, nice and easy. Change on the sides here. You can change anything down here. You can add bullet list, but you can change the spacing, change the text color, change how you justify it, and also change whether you want bold, italic, or regular. Okay, very simple to use. And once you've finished it, don't forget to save your document. Have a good day.